What's the first thing that pops into your mind when I say cryptocurrency? I bet most of the answers will be Bitcoin. The cryptocurrency has been ruling the top position of the crypto world since like ever, with a market cap of over $400 billion. But if you believe what some of the top crypto investors are saying, then Bitcoin has still to reach its true potential. One of those celebrity investors is MicroStrategy's founder Michael Saylor. He thinks there's something that's going to make Bitcoin unstoppable. Michael Saylor is considered one of the most vocal and enthusiastic proponents of cryptocurrency. His supportive words have also translated into action, with his company going on to acquire 129,699 Bitcoin in a series of buying sprees that began in August 2020. This makes MicroStrategy the largest corporate holder of cryptocurrency, since his holdings have almost doubled in value until the ongoing crypto bear market hit. Its enormous Bitcoin position is currently slightly in red, sitting at more than $100 million unrealized loss. However, there is no shaking Saylor's confidence, who assured that there is no price target at which MicroStrategy will begin liquidating its Bitcoin holdings. Even as the market-wide meltdown evaporated trillions of value, the leading Bitcoin maximalist and his company is patiently holding firm. Not only are they holding, but the company is also adding on more Bitcoins. Recently, MicroStrategy disclosed that it had purchased 480 Bitcoins for about $10 million in the last couple of months, even if the whole market is down. There is no price target. I expect we'll be buying Bitcoin at the local top forever. And I expect Bitcoin is going to go into the millions. So we're very patient. We think it's the future of money. This is what Saylor had to say about his Bitcoin shopping spree. Back in 2021, in an interview, Michael Saylor shared some insights on Bitcoin and its future. It's always the right time to buy. We have a long-term view, and this is the decade of Bitcoin, he stated. According to the billionaire, the last decade being the very first decade of Bitcoin, it's already managed to reach a multi-billion-dollar stage. Then he thinks that the pandemic caused this cryptocurrency to grow and mature, which made it come to the attention of institutional investors. He also thinks that this has started a chain that will lead institutions, corporations, and governments to adopt Bitcoin as digital currency in this decade. One of the major reasons that will push people towards Bitcoin investment is going to be the whole Bitcoin system becoming more carbon neutral, reducing its carbon footprint. This carbon footprint is one of the biggest issues that has been restricting the growth of Bitcoin to much extent. Because in March 2021, Tesla shocked the world by announcing that they'll be accepting Bitcoin as a form of payment, which made all the crypto enthusiasts around the world very happy. But just a couple of months later, Tesla CEO Elon Musk announced that Tesla would stop accepting cryptocurrency for payment. Can you guess the reason why? Yes, it was due to the so-called mining of the coins using too much fossil fuel-generated electricity, which leaves a huge amount of carbon footprint. And it goes without saying that this announcement sent the price of Bitcoin into free fall. But according to new announcements from Bitcoin, they're working to lower its carbon footprint. Actually, according to a campaign, a single change in Bitcoin's coding could reduce its carbon footprint by 99%. So things are much more interesting and of course promising for Bitcoin. The executive of the Nasdaq-listed software company also believes this drawdown and the subsequent regulation will, in fact, be good for the industry. Ultimately, when the dust settles, people will realize that Bitcoin is superior to the thousands of existing crypto assets, argued the proponent. Once people figure out why Bitcoin is superior to everything else, then the institutions are going to come in with large sums of money, and we're not going to have to struggle through this massive explanation of why we're different from 19,000 other crypto tokens. Saylor affirmed that Bitcoin is the future of money, but to scale up to its ability to achieve billions and billions of transactions, it needs to have an ethically, economically, and technically sound base layer and second layer like Lightning Network. So what do you guys think about this billionaire's thoughts? Let us know in the comments. Which crypto YouTubers can make you earn a load? Tap on the tab on your screen to know.